Can't put dirty wheels on a project. Gotta clean them things up. I love making old junk look good. Wish I had a set of white letters on them, that'd been even better. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Out here in the yard again, cleaning up some wheels for my next project. It's a project I've been having for over 20 years now, but it's hard to find the tires that are on it, and the ones that are on it are probably 10 years old and will not hold there. So I picked up these guys, and I just can't put dirty wheels on an old project. Let's clean them up. All right, what we got here is some old early 2000 model S-10 wheels. Not that I'm gonna actually leave them on anything I put them on, but there's some good knockarounds. They're all dirty. I know it's a little overkill, but why put dirty stuff on a project? Now that I at least have a roof to work under, it doesn't have to sit out in the yard and get funky. That ain't if you're gonna go be taking these off and on to do brakes and suspension upgrades and stuff like that. Why get your hands all full of old brake dust and road grime? And you don't have to. They're not new. But you can just pretend. These were made at a time where custom rims were the thing, and the factory wheels weren't so cool. The factory wheels have come a long way in the past 20 years. So like when these things first came out, everybody was like, wow, man, check out the mags on the S-10. Then you started seeing them pop up on older Camaros and Blazers and S-10 trucks and trailers and boat trailers because they're aluminum. Because they wanted that custom mag look. If you have a 5 on 4 3/4 offset, you see them on hot rods at car shows today. They'll go and paint them up and make them look a little different. But their cars are 15 by 7 wheels. So they're great front wheels for me, but not necessarily backs. I like a little more grip in the back. I don't know about y'all, but there is something so satisfying about cleaning up an old set of wheels. Especially when they're 5 spokes. Love making old junk look good. Here you go, 4 early 2000s S-10 wheels. Cleaned up, ready for the next project. All right, y'all, thanks for checking it out. Look, hey y'all, I'm really trying to make this happen. I'm up to 90 subscribers. It's a brand new YouTube channel. At 100, they'll give me my name. This is Modified. I'm Big D. I'm here to do anything I can to make whatever faster, lower, better, or stronger. Or in other words, modified. Please click that like and subscribe button and help me grow this channel. Thanks, y'all.